Hello friends, this is MS and welcome to the GATE mantra. So in the previous video we have seen about the 2 to 1 marks and 4 to 1 marks, and we have seen how we are uh, constructing the high order marks by using the lower order marks, or how we are going to construct the 16 to 1 marks using the 2 to 1 marks or 4 to 1 marks. Okay, so in this video we are going to start with the question. Okay, we are going to start with the another question. Okay, right? So the question is, okay, let's write the question. This is 4 to 1 marks. This is output y, and this is input. I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay. Now it's given in the input as this is C and this is connected to C bar. Okay, and here it's given the two select line A and the B. Okay, then we have to find okay, minimize expression for the given mux circuit. Okay, we have to find minimized expression for the given mux circuit. So this is the 4 to 1 mux is given. Here the output is y, and the input I0, I1, I2, I3. Where in I0, I1 we are feeding the signal, input signal C, and in the I2, I3 we are giving the input signal C bar. So we have to find the Boolean expression of the, or minimized expression of the output F. So we know that F will be equal to so when we are going to put 0 0 here, 0 and 0, A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, then C, and then I0 will be select, and when the I0 will be select, then I0 will be appear at the output. So for A bar, B bar, the output is C. Okay, and plus for A bar B also C, for A B bar. Okay, so here for 0 0, for 0 0 we are going to select 0 0, the C will be present at the output. Or when we are going to select the 0 1, means A bar B, then I1 will be selected and I1 will be present at the output. When we are going to select the 1 0, then I2 is selected and I2 will be reached to the output. And for the 1 1, I3 is selected and the I3 will be going to the output. So here A bar B bar C plus A bar B C plus A B bar C bar. Okay, and plus A B and C bar. Okay, now we are going to minimize this expression. Okay, so for minimizing this, let's see here, we are going to take, okay, this A bar B bar C. Okay, A bar B bar C, and this is A B bar C. What is common in this? Okay, let's see. Let's see this two. Okay, now we are going to take A bar and C common, and here we left with the B bar and the B. Okay, we left with the B bar and the B. Right, in this we are going to take the common A C bar, and we left with the B bar and the B. Okay, Now here b bar and plus b equal to 1, b bar plus b equal to 1, and then we are going to have a bar c plus a c bar. This is equal to the a XOR c. Okay, so our function f will be equal to the a XOR c. So in the question given 4 to 1 marks, and where the a b is given as a selective line and the input is given c and the c bar, so the minimized expression for the output of the mux is a XOR c after doing all this process, right? So here when we have selected the 0 0, then I naught will be selected to the output, and the I naught is connected with the input c, so c will be present at the output. So first a b 0 0, a bar, b bar, and c is the expression. Okay, for the second input of the selective line, a bar, b, and the c. For the third, that is 1 0, a, b bar, and c bar, and for the fourth, that is 1 1, a, b, and c bar. Okay, this is the solution of our first question, right? So we move to the second question. So here the question number second is, okay, question number second. So implement, our question number second is implement the function of a, b, okay, equal to summation m 0 1 3 using 4 to 1 marks, using 4 to 1 marks. Okay, then our solution. First, what is the question? Question is the implement the f of ab, that is the output, this is the y, okay, this is the y, equal to the minimized expression of 0 1 3, okay, using the 4 to 1 marks. So first we are going to make the 4 to 1 marks. Okay, this is 4 to 1 marks, and your input is given this I naught, I1, I2, and the I3, and here the output is 1. Okay, now we y is be equal to the f of a, and the v y will be equal to the function of a b, okay, and the input line is given a and the b. So what put is the function of a b, this will equal to the minus of 0 1 and the 3. Okay, so we know we first write the expression of 3, this one, f equal to, what is 0 0 is 0 0, that is a bar, b bar, and plus 1 is a bar, b, and plus 3 is ab, right? So here see, when we are going to write the expression for the output y, okay, y we will be equal to a bar, b bar, and this I naught plus a bar, b, this I1 plus a, b bar, I2, and plus a, b, I3. Now compare these two equations. Okay, so after comparing, we have seen that, okay, I naught will be equal to 0, I not will be equal to 1, sorry. Okay, a bar b bar present here and a bar b bar is present here, so I not will be equal to 1. Okay, a bar b is present here, so I1 will be equal to 1. Okay, I1 will be equal to 1, and here a b bar is not present in the output, so here I2 will be equal to 0, I2 will be equal to 0, and here since ab is present, hence I3 will be equal to 1. Okay, so we will simply write here this I0 will be equal to 1, I1 will be equal to 1, this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, so when we are going to fetch the input for I0 1, I1 1, I2 0 and I3 1, we are going to get the output. Okay, we will get the output that will be the minimized expression for the 0 1 3. Okay, so when we are giving the selective line as a and the b. Okay, so for doing this what we did, first we write the expression for the output. Okay, for output 0 1 3, so for 0 we can write here, for 0 we can write here a bar b bar, for 1 we write here a bar b, and for this we write here a b. Okay, and we write this 0 1 3 here, and after that we are writing the generalized expression for the output y, and then we are comparing the both output, and where where the a bar we are present in this output and also generalized output, so we have made I0 1, I1 1, I2 0 and I3 1. Okay, so our next example will be so our next example will be, okay, implement, this is the question number 3 of today class. Implement, okay, function of a, b and c equal to summation of m, okay, 0 1 5 6 7 0 1 5 6 7 using 4 to 1 marks. Okay, using 4 to 1 marks. Okay, so in this question we are going to implement this function. Okay, f of abc, this is equal to summation of 0 1 5 6 7. Okay, 0 1 5 0 1 5 6 7 using the 4 to 1 marks. So we are going to solve this question. Okay, so first we will going to make the 4 to 1 marks. Okay, so this is 4 to 1 marks, and here is our input, our 4 input, I0, I1, I2 and I3. Okay, and here is our output, right? So here we are getting the function f of a, b and c, that is equal to summation of 0 1 5 6 and 7. Okay, so here there will be 3 possible cases. Okay, first here we are taking that we are providing the a and the b as a selective line. Okay, so when we are going to give the a and b as a selective line, and we are giving any number here like 0 1 1 0 like this, so here we will get the function of ab, a and the b. Here we will get the function of ab. Okay, here we will get the function of ab when our selected line is ab and we are giving the input like 0 1 1 0 or not 0 1 1 0. If we are giving the input 0 1 1 0, then we will get the output ab plus ab bar. Okay, this will be equal to a XOR b, means when we are providing any number here, so we are going to get the function, we are going to get the boolean expression for the output, which will be the function of the two literal, okay, a and b. But here we are in the question it's given that output function is having the three literal, okay, a, b and c. So here instead of any value we will give the number that will be the function of c. Okay, so from here we are providing the a, b as a selective line, and here we will give the function of c. So that's so by using it we are going to get the output which have the three literal a, b and c. Okay, means if we have selected here the selected line as a, b, okay, and here we have selected any number, so we will get here the output which will having the two literal a, b. But when we are selecting the a, b as a selective line, and we will give the input, okay, that will be the function of f of c, then we are going to get the output which will be the function of a, b and c. Okay, so here we are giving here the function of c, and here we have selected the ib as a selective line. Okay, so for solving this question, okay, first we have condition first that we have taken a and the b as selective signal. So first we are going to write here I naught, okay, and here I1, here I2, and here I3. Okay, now we are going to divide it, and here we have written a, b and c. Here we have written a, b and c, here a, b and c, here a, b and c. Okay, now we have taken the AB as a selective line, so we will going to write here 0 0, okay, 0 1, the four possible value, 1 0 and 1 1. Similarly we are going to write here, we will write here 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1, and we will fill the C as 0 1, 0 1, 0 1 and 0 1. Now this is the trick of solving the question. Okay, this is the trick of solving this type of the question, where the selective line is given only given that's having the two literal, and here it's asking for the output function which have the three literal, okay, three alphabet a, b and c. So this will be a trick. First we will write I naught, I1, I2, I3 and ABC. Okay, and for AB, because AB is given as a selective line, so for AB we have putting here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, again 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, and for the C we are giving 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now we are going to group the number that's present here. Okay, so 0 is present here, so we are going to group 0. 1 will be present here, we are going to make 1. 5 is present here, okay, 5 is present here, so we are going to group 5. 6 is present here, 6, and 7 is also present here. Okay, so here we are going to get 1. Okay, here we are going to get 1, here we are going to get 0, here we are going to get C, and here we are going to get 1. So when we will give here, okay, when we will give the I0 input 1 and I1 0 and I2 C and I3 1. So we will get sorry, so we will get the output as a function of A, B and C. Okay, A, B and C, 1 0 and C1. Since this is the first problem of this type, so there will be some difficulty in understanding this problem. If we will solve the 2 and 3 problem like this, so it will be the more comfortable for us. Okay, uh, first if given the this kind of question, okay, where the two selected line, and using the two selective line we will get here the output will be the function of the two literal, okay, two literal, that AB. Okay, but it's given output the output as a Boolean expression of the three literal. So here we will have to provide the function there. Here in the input we will have to provide the function of C. Okay, the function of C, 1 0, since 1 will be universal function. Okay, 1 will be the function of C, 0, C and 1. This is the function of C, and by using this we are going to get the output. So for doing this, first we have write here 0, I0, I1, I2, I3 and ABC. Okay, and we are going to write the combination for AB, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and here 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. And after writing this, what the number present here, we just going to group this. Okay, so 0, so here we have group 0, group 0, 1 we have group 1, 5 we have group 5, and 6 and 7 we have group. And now we are going to see here. Okay, we are going to see here. Okay, now here its value will be 1, here its value will be 0, because no grouping from this. And here we have group both C and C bar. Here the value is only C because we have grouped only C. Okay, and here the value will be 1 because we have grouped this both C and the C bar. Okay, right. Our second condition in this problem, let's take the second condition. Let's take the second condition where we have choosing A and C as a selective one. AC as a selective sing. If we are going to select the A and C, if we are going to select the A and C, then how we are going to get. Okay, so if we will select this AC, then here, okay, this is the I0, I1, I2, I3, and here the output Y. This is the 4 to 1 box. Okay, since here we have given the selected line A and C, and if we will provide here 1 0 0 1 like this any numbers, so here we will get the function of only AC. Here we will get the function of only AC. Okay, suppose let's say here we have given this. Okay, so here we will get A bar C plus A C bar. This will be the A XOR C. So here we will get the function of AC if we will provide any numbers here. Since in the question it's asking, the output as a function of A, B and C. Okay, output as a function of A, B and C will be equal to the summation of 0, 1, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so here definitely AB is present here as a selective line. Okay, and so here we have to give the function of B, so we will get the output as a function of ABC. So for solving this, first we are going to write here I0, this is I1, this is I2 and this is I3, and we have divided this, right? Here we will written A, B, C, here A, B, C, here A, B and C, here A, B and C. Okay, now we are going to, we have selected this A and the C as a selective line, so we will write here 0, 0. Okay, A and C as a selective line, 0, 1. Okay, 1, 0. Here we will write 1, 1. Here again 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and we will put the value of the B 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now we are going to group the number that is present here, the min term that is present here. So we will have to group the 0, we will have to group the 1, we will have to group the 5. Where is 5? 5. We will have to group the 6, we will have to group the 7. So after grouping, what we are getting here? Here we are getting C bar. Okay, C bar. Here we will getting the, sorry, not C bar, B. It will be the B. Here we are getting the B bar. Here we are getting the B bar. Here we are getting the B, and here we are getting the 1. So if we will provide the input as B bar, okay, B bar, B and 1, then we will get that output. Okay, then we will get that output, right? So this is the two example we have solved here. Okay, and we have seen that how we are going to solve this type of the problems in the digital electronics circuit from the mark. This is the very important question. It's always asked in the GATE as well as ES. Okay, so I am going to erase this. If you have any difficulty, please ask in the Telegram group or in the comment. Okay, and it's do by yourself. When we are going to select the BC as a selective line, BC as a selective line, BC as a selective line, selective signal, then what will be the input we have to given here? When we are going to select the BC as a selective line, this do it by yourself. Okay, okay, thank you for attending the class.